This is the Bose audio module from an Audi Q7. It was ruined because water got into the electronics, which actually happens a lot with this model. I already have a replacement module, but before I install it, I need to sort out the component protection issue. Otherwise, only the rear speakers will work. Also, the donor module I bought was actually hit by water too. But luckily, it's still working. We're going to fix the component protection by swapping the entire EEPROM from the original module to the donor one. This solution will only work if you have the exact same hardware number. You can see the whole procedure right here in my video. Before I move on, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. First of all, add a little flux to the EEPROM pins to make the job easier and faster. To remove the EEPROM and transfer it to the other board, I'll be using hot air and a soldering iron. You can see the exact location of the EEPROM right here in the video. And its part mark is ATMEL. After we remove the EEPROM from the original module, we do the exact same thing on the donor module. Except on the donor module, after we take the EEPROM off, we'll clean up the leftover solder on the board. Be really careful when working with hot air. Turn down the airflow speed so you don't blow away the other tiny components. And don't use the maximum temperature, because that can easily damage the electronics too. I also highly recommend staying away from Chinese Bose modules, because most of them don't work at all. Instead, buy a used original module and remove the component protection yourself this way, without having to spend a ton of money. The whole procedure is done in just 30 minutes. When putting the original EEPROM back on the PCB, pay close attention to its direction or orientation, so you don't end up installing it the wrong way. Since the donor module also had some water damage, I decided to fix that up with hot air too. First of all, I'm putting plenty of flux on the pins. And after that, I'm going over it with hot air at 350 degrees C. Finally, I'm putting the PCB back into its original casing and reinstalling it in the car. I share all my knowledge here for free. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.